Jacob, and I'm in 9th grade.
My name is Joseph Musso, and I'm in 9th grade.
My name is Jonathan Mancillo. I'm in the 9th grade. I'm a freshman, and most people refer to me as Lil J.
I'm John Rondera, and I'm a 9th grader.
I'm Ben Engel, and I'm in 9th grade.
My name is Caleb Engel, and I am in the 9th grade.
I'm Hannah Grace Jacob. I'm in 10th grade.
I'm Gentry Wood, and I'm in 10th grade.
My name is Jose Maria Barbado, and I am in 10th grade.
My name is Isabel McMurray, and I'm in 10th grade.
My name is Jamal Law, and I'm in the 12th grade.
So I'm Luke, and I'm a senior.
No!
I'm gonna do anything right now. Alright, please make sure it doesn't roll away.
Right. This.
Oh, no! It went!
Okay.
Jonathan!
Okay, guys.
Bill!
Trace.
Okay, I don't
Dos,
wanna be at the
Uno. Dang it, I lost the ball. How do you lose a baseball?
No. Noodle.
Hi people watching.
So you want to explain what you guys are doing?
You don't really know.
We have no idea. It's going good. Our machines are working and, well, mostly working, and I don't know, it's just fun experimenting.
I think it will there'll be a lot of errors, but that's what being a part of Rube Goldberg is. So, yeah, I think we'll get it done.
I want to see the huge chain reaction, I guess. I want to see if it works in one try.
It's really fun, and you get really creative more than you ever thought you could.
I like how innovative everyone is and how much we can use the wood and attach it to walls and things like that.
Getting a chance to build really cool whirly gigs and kind of explore the inner workings of a wood shop.
At first, I had a big idea about how I wanted it to be, but I didn't know how I was going to execute it. But as we went on and we started, we started changing some stuff and
The most frustrating piece would have to be the garage door, which I didn't end up figuring out, but we tried an entire 3 hours to do it, and it didn't end up.
Just experimenting with different combinations of trying to get things to work. That was enjoyable.
We kind of just had a starting point, and we kind of just was what if we had this? And if that doesn't work, then why don't we try this? And kind of just had multiple different ideas.
A lot of teamwork is needed for this to know what everyone else is doing, so you can make sure you're doing the best thing.
I think the biggest challenge is trying to connect all of our Rube Goldberg machines together to make it all fit, so we can make one big one.
Okay, so the main purpose of our contraption is a paper towel dispenser.
Action!
Go!